What's up, guys? Today we're making funnel cakes, as well as a strawberry sauce that'll go great with it. Now, of course, we're gonna need strawberries. Wow. Preferably cut into eighths, as well as half a lemon. Wow again. Alrighty, now to get started, we are going to get our 1 pound of strawberries into a saucepan. Now, we don't need to get the heat started quite yet. We're gonna juice half a lemon, and we're also going to add 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. Now we're gonna cook these at a medium temperature for as long as it takes to get all the juices out and get the strawberries nice and soft. And let me tell you, this is the best smelling thing ever. When you're done, let's get it into a bowl. And now that it's all cleaned up, it's time to make the funnel cake batter. We need to start with 1.5 cups of milk. Ignore that pour. We also need 2 eggs. Now, we're gonna whisk these up and get them all nice and incorporated. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're gonna mix this by hand. No need for any electrical equipment here. This is a nice and easy batter. Once it's all mixed up, you're pretty much done with that. Now, it's time for the oil. We would like to get this oil to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, but a little bit hotter is not bad because inevitably the oil will cool down when the batter goes in. We also need a funnel, hence the funnel cake, and any kind of vessel to get batter into the funnel. Let's get started. Let's scoop that up, get it in the funnel. Now make sure you're constantly moving the funnel. You don't want the batter to clump up in a big ball or it won't cook properly. You can also get a little artistic with this and have some sort of a zigzag pattern or a circular pattern and make a really pretty funnel cake. Now you're gonna cook this for about, 2 minutes per side. Really, you're just gonna watch for it to be nice and golden. You can tip it and peek under it a little bit and just, watch it, see it cook. Look how nice that is. And it smells fantastic too. When you're done with it, you're gonna lift it up, get it onto a drying rack. I like to put paper towel underneath so the drippings don't get all over the table, but you do you. Let's get all these funnel cakes done. You should get about 4 or 5, depending how much batter you're using per funnel cake. Let's get it cleaned up. It's time to decorate. Let's get some icing sugar through a sieve and just powder this. Get messy, have fun with it. Obviously, after this, it's time for our strawberry sauce that we put a lot of effort into. Let's drizzle that over, get the juices and the chunks of strawberry all over this thing. It's just amazing. Now, of course, time to try it. I'm very excited. Wow, this is amazing. Simply amazing and really easy. Give it a shot, guys. Thanks for watching.